The move towards a net zero world, as outlined in the 2015 Paris Agreement, requires a monumentally collaborative global effort between governments, businesses and society more broadly. In the next several years, we can expect to see developments in precision agriculture, crop preservation, alternative proteins, biodegradable and reusable packaging, plastics recycling, electric vehicle technology, renewable energy, as well as green regulation, with more focus on environmental, social and governance, or ESG. The energy sector, in particular, contributes around 75% of global greenhouse gas emissions. This is why governments around the world have increasingly invested in green energy to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. How will this affect economies? The rapid, large-scale investment into green energy infrastructure has put immense pressure on global economies, pushing up prices on a wide range of consumer products and services. This phenomenon is known as Greenflation. Striking the right balance between green investment and keeping prices at bay is a complex challenge facing many governments and businesses around the world. Accountants play a key role in shaping the policies and actions of governments and businesses that satisfy both green ambitions and mitigate economic and social impacts. They provide valuable insights about risks and opportunities on the journey towards environmental sustainability. They also accurately track and report performance against reduction targets, and they appropriately allocate funds into green alternatives. Over the past decade, clean energy costs have been decreasing, and this trend is expected to continue. Beyond the short to medium term, the greenflation cycle and its effects are also expected to decline. Accountants must continue to work collaboratively with decision makers because their critical analytical skills are crucial to determining success on the road to achieving net zero. Ultimately, it is accountants who anchor net zero ambitions in a sense of economic reality.